Hey guys, we're about to be ding dong ditching and getting this guy's reaction, so here, hold it.
I don't have a
Faggot. Are you doing it or
on the phone, it says SMS and then it says junk.
Are we both doing it? I did like the last 3
You have to record, Brooklyn.
I dinged a house with the guy upstairs masturbating.
What?
I mean, I think. Why is he just sitting there for like 5 hours?
Are y'all going to this house?
I would, but the guy. There's someone literally right on the couch.
True.
Right by the door.
Plus she's fat and she's white. That's how you know she grew up spoiled. Hope y'all guys didn't hear that. I beat my meat. Gotta beat my meat. Doo, doo, doo. Gotta beat my meat. Doo, doo, doo.
I know.
Imagine that's an adult's room. I'd be hella sad. I know.
I'm about to ding someone with a Ring doorbell, then just cover my face and go.
Alright, do that. But we're on the neighborhood app. Don't be saying shit.
Wait, do you both want to do it? We like twerk at each other?
Twerk?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Like we twerk in front of the Ring thing.
Brooklyn's like, hell no, I'm out of here. Was that one a Ring?
Ring one? Here, let's do it.
Come on, faggot.
No, and then whenever we hear him say hello, we just start twerking and run. Are we doing it? Bet. I'm about to cover my face though. Here, cover your face right now. They see it even when you don't press it.
Yes.
Ew, I see you. Look at your back.
Where'd Brooklyn go?
I don't know where you went. Come here.
I don't know where Brooklyn's at.
She went down there.
She's FaceTiming me.
You didn't even talk.
Brooklyn. Brooklyn. Where are you at? Huh? Brooklyn. No, I'm asking you, where the fuck are you? Bro, no. We did the one with the Ring doorbell.